What a beautiful day for the market.
Yes, the sun is shining. It is not too hot.
Look at all these people. Everyone is here.
I can smell something delicious already.
It smells like fresh coffee and bread.
Can we get coffee first?
Let's walk around a little bit first.
Did you bring the reusable box?
Yes, I have 2 canvas bags right here.
Good. We don't want to use plastic.
Where should we start?
I see a lot of fruit over there.
The sign says local organic fruit.
Local means it grows near here, right?
Yes, it comes from farms close to the city.
That means it is fresh.
Exactly. It doesn't travel on a big truck.
I love the atmosphere here.
Me too. It is so much better than the supermarket.
The supermarket is boring. This is fun.
Look at that dog.
A golden retriever. He looks happy too.
Okay, let's go to the fruit stand.
I am ready. I hope they have samples.
You always want free food.
Trying it is part of the fun.
Okay, let's go.
Lead the way. Wow, look at the color of these strawberries.
They're so red. They look perfect.
And look at these peaches. They are huge.
Excuse me, are these peaches sweet?
Look, there's a plate with samples.
Go ahead, try a piece.
This is amazing.
Is it sweet? It is very sweet and juicy. You try one.
Okay, I will try a small piece.
What do you think?
Oh, wow, that tastes like summer.
We have to buy some.
How much are they?
The sign says $3 per pound,
That is a little expensive.
but the quality is better than the store.
True. Okay, let's get 3 peaches.
Only 3? Let's get 5.
We can't eat 5 before they go bad.
I can eat 5 today, trust me.
Fine, pick 5 good ones.
I am looking for the soft ones.
Don't squeeze them too hard.
I am being gentle.
These strawberries look good too.
Let's get a basket of strawberries.
Okay, put them in the bag carefully.
Now, we need vegetables for dinner.
What are we cooking tonight?
I don't know yet. Let's see what is fresh.
Look at this corn.
Corn on the cob, that sounds good.
We can grill it.
Yes, grilled corn with butter.
How many should we get?
Let's get 4 ears of corn.
Okay, I will pick them.
Look at these tomatoes. They are different colors.
Red, yellow, and purple.
They are called heirloom tomatoes.
They look kind of ugly.
No, they're beautiful and they taste great.
Okay, we can make a salad.
A salad with tomatoes and cucumbers.
Do we have cucumbers at home?
I think we finished them yesterday.
Let's buy 1 cucumber then.
Look at the size of this zucchini.
It is as big as my arm.
That is too big. The small ones taste better.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, the big ones are watery.
You know a lot about vegetables.
I watch cooking shows, Tom.
Okay, Chef Sarah. What else?
Just some onions and we're done.
Okay, we have the healthy stuff.
Yes, fruit and vegetables.
Now follow your nose.
It smells like cinnamon and sugar.
The bakery stand is right there.
Look at those loaves of bread.
Sourdough, whole wheat, rye.
We need bread for the week.
Let's get a loaf of sourdough.
Is it sliced?
No, it is a whole loaf. We have to slice it.
That keeps it fresh longer.
Sarah, look at the pastries.
Oh my, croissants and muffins.
Can we get a treat?
Well, it is Sunday.
I want that chocolate croissant.
It looks very rich.
We can share it. Half for you, half for me.
Okay, that sounds fair. And maybe a blueberry muffin.
No, Sarah, just 1 treat.
You are very strict.
I am practical. We have peaches to eat too.
Okay, 1 chocolate croissant, please.
Do you have cash?
Yes, they don't take cards here.
Yes, they don't take cards here.
Here is $5. Wait, stop here for a second.
What is it?
The flowers, they are so pretty.
Do we need flowers?
We don't need them, but they make the house nice.
They will die in a few days.
Tom, don't be so negative.
I am just practical like you.
Flowers bring joy. Look at these sunflowers.
They're very bright and yellow.
Or the tulips, pink and purple.
I like the sunflowers better.
Why?
They look happy like the sun.
Okay, let's get a bunch of sunflowers.
How much is a bunch?
It says $10 for 5 stems.
That is a good price.
Which bunch do you like?
This one. The petals are perfect.
It is a big bunch.
Do we have a vase big enough?
Yes, the glass vase on the dining table?
It will look good in the kitchen.
I will pay for this. It is my treat.
Thank you.
Now our shopping is done.
The bags are getting heavy.
My arms are tired.
The vegetables are heavy.
Good idea. We can listen to the music.
Is that a guitar player?
Yes, someone is playing live music.
This is nice. Put the bags down.
Be careful with the eggs and the peaches.
Don't worry, they are safe.
Okay, let's eat our croissant.
I will break it in half.
It is still warm.
Here is your half.
Thank you. The chocolate is melting.
This is delicious.
It is worth the calories.
I love Sunday mornings like this.
No work, no stress, just good food and good company.
That is sweet, Sarah.
We should do this every week.
We can come back next Sunday.
Next time, I want to try the cheese.
Okay, next week is Cheese Week.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, let's go cook that corn. I am hungry for lunch now.
Let's go grab the bags. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Let's go to the supermarket.
Okay, that's a good idea.
I need to buy many things.
I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is your car?
My car is there.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The supermarket is big.
Yes, it is very big.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I have the list here.
That is good.
I always use a list.
We need a shopping cart.
Where are the carts?
The carts are at the entrance.
I see them. Get one cart, please.
Okay, I have a cart.
Great, let's start.
First, I need fruits.
The fruit section is here.
These apples look nice.
Do you want red apples or green apples?
I want red apples.
How many apples do you need?
I need 6 apples.
Put them in a bag.
Okay, I will.
What else do you need?
I need bananas.
The bananas are there.
This bunch of bananas is good.
Yes, it is.
Now I need vegetables.
The vegetables are next to the fruits.
I see the vegetables. I need carrots.
Here are the carrots.
I need tomatoes too.
The tomatoes are fresh.
I like fresh tomatoes.
Me too.
Next, I need milk.
The milk is in the dairy section.
Where is the dairy section?
It is at the back of the store.
Let's go there.
Okay.
I need 1 bottle of milk.
Do you want low-fat milk?
Do you want low-fat milk?
Thank you.
Do you need eggs?
Oh, yes, I need eggs.
How many eggs?
I need 12 eggs.
Be careful with the eggs.
I will be careful.
Do you need cheese?
Yes, I need cheese for sandwiches.
This cheese is very good.
Now I need chicken.
The meat section is over there.
I see it.
What kind of chicken?
I need chicken breasts.
Here is the chicken.
This looks good.
Do you need beef?
No, I don't need beef today.
Okay.
I need toothpaste.
Toothpaste is in the health section.
Where is the health section?
It is near the entrance.
Oh, we passed it.
We can go back.
Okay, I think that is all.
Check your list.
Yes, I have everything.
Good. Let's go to the checkout.
Good, let's go to the checkout.
It is at the front of the store.
I see the lines.
This line is short.
Let's join this line.
Okay.
Let's go to the car.
Okay.
Where did you park the car?
I parked over there.
I see it.
Let me open the trunk.
I will put the bags in the trunk.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Shopping is easier with a friend.
I agree. Do you want to come to my house?
Sure, what for?
We can have lunch together.
That sounds great.
Perfect. Let's go.
The traffic is light today.
Yes, we are lucky.
How long does it take to get to your house?
About 15 minutes.
That's not far.
No, it's very close. I like your neighborhood.
Thank you. It's quiet here.
Where can I park?
You can park in front of my house.
Okay, here.
Perfect. This is good.
Let me take one bag.
I'll take the other one.
Be careful with the eggs.
I will. I have them.
Is this your door?
Yes. Let me find my keys.
No problem. Take your time.
Here they are.
Your home is very nice.
Thank you. Please come in. Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please. There are slippers for you.
Thank you.
Let's put the groceries in the kitchen.
Okay. Where is the kitchen?
It's straight ahead.
This is a lovely kitchen.
I'm glad you like it. We can put the bags on the table.
First, we should put the cold things in the refrigerator.
Good idea.
The milk and eggs need to go in,
I'll put the milk away.
and I will handle the eggs.
Where should I put the vegetables?
You can put them in the vegetable drawer.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
The chicken goes in the fridge too.
Yes, on the bottom shelf.
So, what will we cook for dinner?
Let's make a simple meal.
How about chicken with rice and vegetables?
That sounds delicious and healthy.
We can stir fry the chicken and vegetables.
Great. I can help you chop the vegetables.
Thank you. That would be a big help.
What vegetables should we use?
Let's use the carrots and tomatoes we bought.
Do you have an onion?
Yes, I have some onions here.
Perfect. We need some oil and spices too.
The oil is here. Salt and pepper are on that shelf.
Do you like garlic?
Yes, I love garlic. It's in the basket.
First, we need to wash our hands. Perfect. This is good.
Let me take one bag.
I'll take the other one.
Be careful with the eggs.
I will. I have them.
Is this your door?
Yes. Let me find my keys.
No problem. Take your time.
Here they are.
Your home is very nice.
Thank you. Please come in. Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please. There are slippers for you.
Thank you.
Let's put the groceries in the kitchen.
Okay. Where is the kitchen?
It's straight ahead.
This is a lovely kitchen.
I'm glad you like it. We can put the bags on the table.
First, we should put the cold things in the refrigerator.
Good idea.
The milk and eggs need to go in,
I'll put the milk away.
and I will handle the eggs.
Where should I put the vegetables?
You can put them in the vegetable drawer.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
The chicken goes in the fridge too.
Yes, on the bottom shelf.
So, what will we cook for dinner?
Let's make a simple meal.
How about chicken with rice and vegetables?
That sounds delicious and healthy.
We can stir fry the chicken and vegetables.
Great. I can help you chop the vegetables.
Thank you. That would be a big help.
What vegetables should we use?
Let's use the carrots and tomatoes we bought.
Do you have an onion?
Yes, I have some onions here.
Perfect. We need some oil and spices too.
The oil is here. Salt and pepper are on that shelf.
Do you like garlic?
Yes, I love garlic. It's in the basket.
First, we need to wash our hands.